We're going to show you what a bad wheel bearing noise sounds like. It's a little bit like a tire noise. We're going to start the car so you'll be able to hear what the motor sounds like. As we get the speed up, I'm going to turn the wheel, because when you turn your steering wheel, the noise will go away as the pressure shifts on the wheel bearing. But of course, when you come back to drive straight again, the noise will come back. So you'll hear kind of a rumbling noise, something like a tire noise, come and going as we're driving. And that's what a bad wheel bearing noise will sound like. So we're getting on our way here. You have to get your speed up in order for it to make noise, because it won't when you're really slow. Can you hear that noise? Wanted to see if you could hear it more closer to the floorboards, but you should be able to pick it up. Okay, we'll do it again. Every time I turn to the left, it's louder. So that should give you an idea what a bad wheel bearing sounds like. They vary in price from roughly around $50. Some are more, some are less. It's $50 a side. You should be able to do the job a couple of hours by yourself, but we're going to walk you through it step by step in our next video. So that's what a wheel bearing noise sounds like.